If we can take initiative to involve the people from the society with their social initiative, we can accelerate our growth rate 2 times. It's possible because I have got that proven track. In the road sector, when I start the work, the people were criticizing me that you are making privatization of the roads and this was a problem. Lot of people have a lot of opinion about it. But now the public representative comes to minister and they say, let us construct it on BOT basis or BOT, but construct the road. So first of all, people, if you want good services, you have to pay for it. And the principle in the democratic state is, welfare state is, to take from the person who have and give it to the person who has nothing, no capacity he have. So on that principle, we can definitely execute the things. We have got the lot of vision related with the many fields. We have some study group and also with our good governance. Only one example I want to tell you. First of all, when I visited Karnataka in Bangalore, with the minister, I asked question to my agriculture minister, what is your agriculture growth rate? He was telling me it was 1.8%. I say, you are taking a lot of conferences and lakhs of crores of rupees our investment is coming in Karnataka. It's everything, okay, go on. But this is not good for you. I say, just you change this scenario. And after that now, when I visited Karnataka, their agriculture growth rate comes to 6%. They completed many irrigation projects. They are giving finance to the agriculture by 1% interest. They are giving power free of charge to the agriculture. I have nothing, any hesitation in my mind to giving free power to agriculture. Because in the agriculture situation is so worst, there is 10 lakh farmer suicides are there. There is no value for their crops. They are facing very crucial problem. For time being, we have to support them. And the key of success is irrigation. From 1947, the irrigation is a state subject. I never understand. This is a blunder mistake in the history of India. That's why the government has limitation for the resources. We cannot make irrigation. And not only irrigation, the water management, drip irrigation, sprinkler, and river connectivity is the most of the important thing which our country needs. In Gujarat, there is a connectivity of 14 rivers by Narmada, by which the Gujarat have agriculture growth rate is 14%. The per capita income in the Gujarat by the farmers is very high. And it is one of the reasons that Gujarat is progressing because the purchasing power of the farmers are increased. And that's why the business has also get good boost up in that. So the irrigation, what my feeling is, the river connectivity and water management is the important thing by which we can increase our agricultural production 2.5 times. We can increase the purchasing power of the poor community, the agriculture field, a rural area, and by which we can accelerate our economy. So our emphasis is Gaon Chalo, giving full power to the villages, giving water, giving good seed by using biotechnology. Somewhere we are making experiments of organic farming, by which we can decrease the expenditure cost and we can increase the profitability for the agriculture. So we are already working on the tourism, health services, education, how we can involve the people from the society in it, by which government has limitation. Even in railway, it is very easy. There are a lot of good projects in railway also, where internal rate of return is more than 14, 15. IRR is there. The Manmad to Indore railway line, where you can reduce the distance from Delhi to Bangalore by 200 and 250 kilometers, there is a good IRR. We can make it by public-private partnership. So we can increase this infrastructure, giving more employment to the people, increasing more employment to the people, and we can get good economic growth. Our basic mission is eradication of poverty. Our basic mission is to increase more employment potential. Our basic interest is how we can increase the per capita income and GDP. And I feel that these are the things where young talent can very much useful for that. Let us take a politics as a politics for development and progress. राजा कारण को, समाज कारण, राष्ट्र कारण और विकास कारण को में हम बदल करें, परिवर्तित करें. We can do it. I am a small person, like I started with my 1 lakh rupees of share. Now I have 90 crores rupees equity, 500 crores assets. I am completely working as a social work. I am not a businessman or industrialist. I am only working in the agriculture and rural sector. I am working in biofuels and ethanol and biodiesel, biomethanization and departmental stores and many solar energy, everything. It is possible. And that's why BJP selected that Antyodaya. We have more than 1,000 projects where our workers are working on this project, Ekal Vidyalaya, hospitals, schools. The problem is that neither the media nor the people in the society, they don't want to listen anything about development and about anything about good program. They are only interested, what is happening in your party, what are you doing, what is your minister is doing, what is the chief minister is doing. They are the priority interest for the media and the people. So it is difficult for us to convey this type of character to the people. So I feel that we have to increase the credibility of the politician. It is possible. Now we have taken two decisions. We are ruling 9 states. By using information technology, we are going to start at e-tender, e-purchase, e-governance, everything. I am confident by which we can reduce the corruption. The second thing, the bill passed by the MP government, that any clerk or chief secretary or a sarpanch or a chief minister, if he can commit any type of corruption, there will be special court, district courts and state courts. They will take the action against him and they will seize his property if the corruption is there. It's possible. Even the time of the Rajya Sabha election, it is the NDA rule had taken a decision and changed the system. Now the elections are transparent. Even for appointing the minister, as for 10%, more than 10%, you cannot make ministers. That is also a law passed by the NDA. There are a lot of things. Even anti-defection law is passed by it. By these small things, we can stop corruption. 100% corruption stop होगा ये मैं दावा नहीं कर सकता. But I feel that you can reduce it. And exactly it is everywhere. And if the corruption is there, it's not only politicians are responsible. Are you not responsible for that? Definitely, everyone is responsible. Because one thing which is very clear, हम पैसा न खाने की कसम खा सकते हैं, न देने की कसम नहीं खा सकते. Even in my own industry, my MD says, sir, don't interfere in it. Otherwise, if your name is involved, people asking me a lot of papers, it get me 1 to 2 months to solve it. But I can give 25,000, I will get my work at within 24 hours. So don't interfere in it. This is the psychology. Why this is a psychology? It is a social problem. It is not the only political problem. And the important thing, I will tell you one, don't take it in another way, one share is there. इधर गधे उधर गधे सब तरफ गधे ही गधे, अच्छे घोड़ों को नहीं है घास और गधे खा रहे च्यवनप्राश. I am not talking gadha to anybody. Neither I want to name anybody. But what is the reason why this happened? If any one of you, you are a very talented people, a knowledgeable people, do you want to participate in politics? Join Congress party, join any other party as your choice. Joining of good and capable people to the political party, it is going to change a quality to reform in that party. I need people. As a president of one of the principal political party, I need good economist. I need good management expert. Now in the 5 states, we are going to start this training center. I have completed this year the training of 14,000 workers. We prepare a course for MLA, for MP, for minister. Good governance conferences. Even we have guided to our chief ministers. I am taking every time review. What is your per capita income? What is your GDP? What is your agriculture growth rate? What is your irrigation rate? In the lot of states, we are taking good program for that. How we can make this society free from socio-economic discrimination? How we can give justice to the poor people of the society? That is our mission. We are working for that. And if we can go properly with the young talent of this country, I feel that if we inspire them and motivate them, the politics is an instrument to do something for the society, to do something for the country, by which we can strengthen our country. If this feeling is there, I am confident that there will be a socio-economic transformation and definitely we will be a strong country in the world. So this is the feeling of my party. We have a lot of things. We have biofuel sale, water sale. One of the young MBA graduate from our country who is working in USA, he resigned his job and he's from Andhra Pradesh. His name is Prakash, what's his? Sriram. He resigned his job in USA and he is working full time with this river connectivity project and water project. We have a conference in Delhi. Yesterday I was meeting with Rajnikant And I discuss him with this water problem regarding the Kaveri and water problem in Tamil Nadu. You say, you do one thing, I will